In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee in Zoho Payroll in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a payroll manager or a small business owner, keeping your payroll system up to date is essential for smooth operations. So, let's dive right in. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Zoho and press Enter. This will lead you to a list of search results. Now, you'll want to look for the official Zoho website. Typically, this will be the first link, or alternatively, you can identify it by the URL that includes zoho.com. Once you've located the correct link, go ahead and click on it to navigate to the Zoho homepage. Next, you'll need to log into your Zoho account if you already have one. If not, signing up is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Follow the prompts to either log in or create a new account by entering your details as required. Once you're in, the next step involves selecting Zoho Payroll from the dashboard. The dashboard is your personal command center where you manage all your Zoho applications. Find Zoho Payroll and click on it to proceed. Now that you're in the Zoho Payroll module, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see various sections you can explore. For this task, we're interested in the Employees module. Click on it to view all current payroll information regarding your employees. With the Employees module open, look towards the top of the screen. You should see a button labeled Plus Add New Employee. Click it to start the process of adding a new team member to your payroll system. After clicking the button, you'll be prompted to provide some essential information. Be prepared to fill out various sections, such as basic details, where you'll input the employee's name and job title. Next, you'll tackle the compensation section, which involves specifying their salary or hourly wage. Continue on to personal details, making sure you accurately enter information like their contact details and address. Following that, you'll have the tax details section, where tax-related information specific to this employee is required. Lastly, input the payment details, detailing how the employee will receive their salary, whether through direct deposit or another method. Pay close attention to the accuracy of the information you enter. Double-check each section before moving on to the next. Once all the details are filled in correctly, make sure you finalize the process by clicking the Save button. This crucial step ensures that all the data you've entered is securely saved in the system. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new employee to Zoho Payroll. By following these steps carefully, you'll keep your payroll system accurate and efficient. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful guides to streamline your business processes.